create a program that applies Python's comments or how do you out comments to your program code, we have two Python comments. First, single line, and second is multi-line. So first, single line comment in Python. If you want to add a short note or explanation to your code, you use the symbol hashtag. Everything written after hashtag is ignored by the computer, or it won't run as code. So the second is multi-line comment. If you want to write a longer explanation of or multiple lines of notes, you use triple quotes or single triple quotes. Everything inside the triple quotes will not be executed. Both hashtag this is a single line comment and hashtag first number are just note for the programmer. So this is example of single line comment. This is an example of multi-line comment. This is a multi-line comment. It can be used if you want to explain a longer description about your code. It is useful when you want to explain a whole block or a code.